Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Lexus LX, the latest luxury SUV that combines bold design, cutting-edge tech, and powerful performance. Whether you're an off-road adventurer or a luxury lover, this one's worth a closer look. Let's get into it. Exterior. The 2026 Lexus LX carries forward its commanding presence with an even sharper design. The massive spindle grille is now more refined, with new mesh detailing and a sleeker chrome outline. LED headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, giving the LX a futuristic look. From the side, you'll notice muscular fenders, 22-inch alloy wheels, and a redesigned silhouette that improves aerodynamics without losing its rugged edge. Around back, the full-width LED tail light bar and bold Lexus lettering emphasize sophistication and strength. Interior. Step inside, and it's pure luxury. Lexus has outdone themselves with a cabin that feels like a high-end lounge. You've got premium leather upholstery, real wood and aluminum accents, and a minimalist design that feels both modern and warm. The new dual-screen infotainment system includes a 12.3-inch upper display for navigation and a lower 7-inch climate control touchscreen. And yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The Mark Levinson sound system? Absolutely stunning. Second-row passengers get generous legroom, climate controls, and even optional captain's chairs with massage functions. The third row now folds flat electronically, opening up tons of cargo space. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 LX swaps the old V8 for a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, pumping out 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque, all mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Host: it's smoother, quicker, and more fuel-efficient than ever before. The full-time 4WD system, adaptive suspension, and multi-terrain select make it just as capable off-road as on it. Host. From towing to trail driving, or just cruising down the highway, this LX feels powerful, planted, and surprisingly agile for its size. So, is the 2026 Lexus LX worth it? If you're looking for a full-size SUV that blends luxury, technology, and off-road performance, this is a top contender. It's not just an upgrade, it's a full evolution of what a luxury SUV should be. What do you think about the new LX? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.